Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Moody tone filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light, bring the contrast plus 33, highlights minus 26, shadows plus 69. Whites minus 35, blacks minus 31. Go to Curve, follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the Tint plus 2, Vibrance minus 62, Saturation plus 10. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color and bring the Hue plus 63, Saturation minus 29. Next go to Orange. Bring the Hue plus 14, Saturation minus 32, Luminance plus 28. Go to Yellow. Bring the Hue minus 100, Saturation minus 20. Next go to Green. Bring the Hue minus 100, Saturation minus 60. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the Hue minus 100, Saturation minus 100. Next go to Blue. Bring the Hue minus 36, Saturation minus 71. Luminance minus 50. Go to Purple. Bring the Hue minus 100, Saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 24. Next go to Pink. Bring the Saturation minus 100. And done. Next go to Effects. Bring the Clarity plus 36. Dehaze minus 34. Vintage minus 11. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening plus 12. Noise reduction plus 25. Color noise reduction plus 30. Detail plus 65. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.